Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. How you guys doing? This market is really funny. It's acting like we have a deal with Iran. Do you think maybe there's some truth in that? Swing day. Good morning, my friend. Zar Trader. Good morning, my friend. X Sazonov. Yo, funny market after funny press conference. Yeah. Radamir. How you doing, my friend? Beloved. Good morning. How you doing, guys? Guys. Maybe there's a long here? Maybe that's it? Good morning, Be Kind. How you doing? Yeah, yesterday price action was... Oh my god. Impossible. I cannot trade this type of price action. Like, see, right here we have a chance. There's a pullback to be taken, like, you know?
Order filled. Order submitted.
Radamir, sometimes no trade is the trade, yeah. To not take a trade is a decision about your money. So, to be out is a trade too. You're protecting your capital against a like a not so good market.
Order submitted.
Good morning, be kind. How you doing? Masara, hi, how you doing? Doing great. Easter was so peaceful with family. How about you, brother? Same thing, man. I was not with my family, but I was with friends and went to church. I guess I was with my wife, so that's my family. Rob Shep, there was a deal the market would be much higher. Who knows why market's pumping and dumping, man? At this point, it's just like whatever. Let's see if there was some type of news. Market started pumping after German composite PMI came out. There was nothing red on financial juice at the time, it was only that. Today we have durable goods 9:30 and nothing else, I think. And we have Trump when he wakes up. Where's my trade? Okay. Let's see if we can take like 20 points in this trade. Touch the 400s again. How was your guys' day yesterday? Like yesterday was not a easy day to trade, man. Overall, you know, it was not an easy day to trade. I hope you guys did well. I did average. One account was nicely green, the other one was nicely red, you know. Check the M15. M15 is Forex way to talk about 15-minute charts. Yeah, a lot of imbalances. Not a lot. There's one, bro. There's this one right here. Yeah, it's very possible we do a pullback. Very possible, brother. Well, as you guys know, I will trade with the 21 EMA, not against it right now. Let's see. There's this tiny imbalance on the 5 right now. You know, let's see if it reverses it. If it inverts this imbalance, we're probably going higher. Lars Doggle, market gets liquidity for the inevitable dump when Trump speaks. Maybe, yeah. Ended up with a little over 1400 on new TPT eval. Beautiful. I lost 29 bucks in my live account. I used tight stops. Only 2 trades. Yeah. I'm going to protect this trade
Order submitted.
because I don't want to see the rejection on this gap that we're seeing right now. If it rejects like this, I'm probably going to be able to buy lower, you know? I'm going to be able to buy lower.
Order filled. Order canceled.
But it's funny how it like, look at where's the wick of this candle. Beloved was done before 10 a.m. Yeah. That's the smart thing to do, like just to be done and do not keep trading. Daniel, good morning. Are we going long on short? I tried to take a long. It's rejecting this fair value gap right here. I didn't want to see that once it went inside the fair value gap. I wanted to see price action just bullishing over it. So I got out of break even. Like if keeps trading below this fair value gap, maybe there is even a short sign to be taken. Like
order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Well,
order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
let's see. How do you save template in Ninja Trader, sir? Template of what do you want to save? There's many things, many different things that you can save templates on. Some are different than the others. Radomir, today you're going to full port, no trade? Full port, no trade? Okay, so you're staying out full port. Maybe that's smart. Pavan, good morning, my friend. How you doing? Let's try to ride this cross the MAs. You guys know the drill by now. If a candle closes above this 397, 398, 400, I'm probably getting out. If it doesn't, I'm staying in for the pullback on the 5 minute. 372, yeah.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
This can be just a pullback on the 5, look, you know? Oil is looking interesting for a short.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled.
Market's so slow, man. Good morning, Jamie. How you doing? It's easier to focus on the charts and trades if the music's more soft and relaxing. Yeah, maybe. Sometimes I'll need a little bit of a pump in the mind, you know. Right now I just woke up. Not just woke up. I woke up like 50 minutes ago. Something like that. Don't need that much. Like the 2 minutes, it's prompting to go down, but I don't know if it's actually going to go, you know. It's looking like it's faking me out, that's for sure.
Order filled.
A lot of buyers. There's no sign of strength on the short side. It was a nice attempt though. What are the chances for 24,300? Johanna? I don't know, brother. I got scared out of the trade. Not so good. Yeah, the sentiment on the daily chart is bullish. Douglas, it's the NQ, brother. Joelson Gomes, bom dia, my friend. Good morning. Sitting in ER, 12-hour shift. Crazy, man. Split striker, good morning, my friend. Yeah, guys. Should be a good trading day today, yeah. I'm having that feeling too. Just gotta be patient, you know. Going to be a little patient. Like the market's not moving that much right now. Finish off a lucid eval and working on a couple more that you have did yesterday. Beautiful. I need a little bit more of a pump to the mind, man. Bro, yeah, it's funded, man. Right now it's a funded. But as you guys can see, there's not much movement on the London session right now. So we gotta wait a little bit to see what's going on, you know? Your apex funded is 600 minus, like it's negative 600 negatives. 372 holding. 100%, man. Oh my god, Trump woke up. I'm buying here. I'm buying here.
Submitted.
Come back to me. Come back to me. Oh no. What was that? Yeah, my friend. That's the thing. Bro, Trump wakes up early. What's up with that?
Order canceled.
Tehran has rejected any temporary ceasefire with the US. That's the news. But we kind of know that Iran doesn't want a temporary ceasefire. He wants the end of the war. Yeah, guys. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. Let's push to 50. Thank you, guys. Oh, bro. Like, gave all that push down and it's already going up. Not much to be done, man. Not much. Short movement. You had luck with that drop. Nice. That's what's up. Mark, good morning. They stop out. I
Order
need to short the
submitted.
stop out right here.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order cancelled.
Just a scalp on the stop out of the news candle, guys. You took a minus 7,000 on that eval before it even closed my position. Yeah. Took the same trade, beautiful. Yeah, there's always a little bit of a roller coaster ride on London session. But I guess we go sideways now. That's the main thing. I guess we go sideways now. Guys, I went to get my coffee. You guys don't understand what just happened. I went to get my coffee and there was no coffee left. I don't have the means to make a coffee. Like I took like a 2 minutes of silence to respect that moment and came back to the stream. That's a day starting with the wrong foot, bro. Dragon Trader? I don't know, brother. I'm not going to pretend to understand how some geopolitical thing will reflect on the market. I refuse to pretend that I know like anything about it. What I know is that whenever some type of news comes, the markets always react in some type of way. And what I'm trying to do is to always have a stop on the screen, on the charts, you know. That's what I try to do. Yeah. Yeah, now you have to make 5.6k, bro, on Apex. You're good though. If the money you make, you can withdraw, you know, basically. Bro, it's been raining for more than a day straight, brother. That's not fun, man. That's not good. And it seems like it's going to continue raining today. Anto James, good morning, Leo. How do you wake up so early? You're from UK? How do I wake up so early? I just like open my eyes, guy. Like, what you talking about? I'm joking. Like, I have a alarm clock. But if you go to sleep early, you wake up early. That's the thing. 8 hours. That's all you need, brother. Okay, there's sellers at 390 and there's buyers at 370. So what does that tell me? We are sideways, brother. Not much to do. Like, market structure is lower highs, lower lows, but this low right here was the news, so it's kind of hard. Split striker, making 3k to passive hours easy, making 150 for minimum profit, very, very hard. Yeah, like, sometimes trading evals, you get more free. It's not that like a heavy burden to your mind. I guess when you switch to funded, you have to keep that mentality, like it's just fake money, you know. Guys, you guys will have to excuse me for like 5 minutes. I'm going to have to. There's a little store inside my condo. I'm going there to buy coffee. It takes like 5 minutes to go there and come back. I need coffee, bro. Like there's no way. Like, as soon as you guys like, if you guys hit the like button very hard, I will come back quicker. That's the reality of it, you know. I'll be right back. I'm back, my brothers. Ooh, some sellers again. New news again? What just happened? A lot of sellers. What's up, boss man? How you doing, Mango? Light Force going long? Why did you go long, brother? The volume on this candle. Always wanted to go long. See if there's buyers.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Nice split. I want to see buyers here again. Maybe we can get a pullback.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Huh. Yeah, Mango. I think was something about Iran not wanting to agree on a ceasefire. Be right back 1 second, guys.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'm back. I'm back. I went to get the coffee. Yeah, I'm trying to catch a falling knife right here, guys. Not so good. I don't know, like I just came in and tried to catch a falling knife. Not a good idea. My stop is below the 5-minute fair value gap.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Like I'm trying to buy because of the overextended price, but it's heavy and can just run me over. That's the reality of it, you know? That's the reality. And if it runs me over, that's okay. Yeah, it's way heavier.
Order filled. Order canceled.
Yeah, I have to. It was kind of a displacent trade right now. I don't know why it's falling. There's no news, there's no nothing. I don't see your messages. Bullish, was bullish, but it ran over. Wait for the sweep of a level. Yeah, maybe. To join the shorts here right now, it's kind of hard for me to do. There was news like 30-40 minutes ago, 50 minutes ago, almost 40 minutes.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Iron Island target with several strikes. Yeah, that's not good. The news just came out now on Financial Juice. Yeah, but that's like the short sellers right here are like people that knew the news before it came out on Financial Juice 100%. Yeah, I guess I should get off this trade. It's not rejecting the way I wanted. Yeah, it's 19 points, 18 points.
Order filled. Order cancelled.
Yeah, it's heavy. Heavy. Heavy, 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 heavy. Iran, yeah, man, this is heavy. I think I'm going to take a shot here. Like maybe, no, what I just did, bro. Took a shot at the lowest point possible. Let's see if it goes.
Order submitted.
Basically, Iran is saying that, ooh, I don't have much drawdown on this account, man. Ooh, maybe this account is a long run Johnson, boys. Iran is saying that there's no restraints anymore. It's going to attack anyone and everyone. Yeah, this account right now has almost no drawdown, guys.
Order
I
filled.
need to try to take a little. Let's see if it dumps again. I'm shy. I FOMO'd in hard on this trade, guys. I'm going to pay the price for it. Probably. Probably will. Let's see. The news is bad, but I can't take much pullback. Like the US strike places on Iran and island on Iran, and Iran like just replied, yeah, I'm short like at the worst possible place right now. Like this is a Hail Mary, guys. And Iran just replied saying that there's no restraints anymore and they are going to attack like US target, US partners, everything, you know. But the news came out like 5 minutes ago and it started dropping like 30 minutes ago. Yeah, this account was already like not so good in drawdown and I took a bad trade. But that's okay. But what you know what? If you guys push to 50 likes right now, I won't get stopped out. There's not even a reason for me to put a stop loss on the screen. We have to get some insider information to trade these markets. Yeah, I agree with you, brother. I'm going to add this ad off and I'm going to see if it goes my way, bro. Like a flush down probably can happen still. Maybe it flushes now. I'm short, brother. Like, this is red, and this is positive, and price is below it. You know, I'm short. Like, when it's red here, this is amount of contracts, and when it's red means that I'm short. Let's see if it keeps going down. It keeps going down. $60 minutes, almost closing. Ninja trader, brother. Trump just learned how to short. Yeah, he was like getting some puts or something. Yeah, with a movement like this, a pullback, it's very possible. And if it really gives a pullback, I'm not surviving it. I'm probably not surviving it. Maybe it comes for the...
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Yeah, there was news, Stanley. Let's see if the next 1 hour follows down, crashes down, or what it does. Yeah, the problem was like it was dropping for 25-30 minutes without any news. I was like, brother, there's no news, why it's dropping? And as soon as I entered the long, the news came out, like late, 30-40 minutes late. Like people that were shorting all the way up here, they already knew the news, you know? Yeah, like, so right now this is looking like a bottoming pattern. Yeah, Pat already told the news like 5 times. Like, go to financial juice, please, bro. Sorry if I... Like, after 5 times, it's... I'm not gonna say it again, bro. I'm sorry. Financial juice, brother. Junior Trump behind the shorts, yeah. And if with these US strikes, if the markets like all of a sudden realize that maybe with the US strikes right now, the US will be the war will closer to an end. They are damaging railroads, they are damaging bridges, they are damaging a lot of things right now maybe. And if the markets realize that the war is closer to an end, maybe like it starts bumping out of nowhere. You know? We're kind of winging it right now. Panais, you're at work? No problem, man. Happy that you took some time to send a message, bro. Thank you. Ooh, the guys that are coming in hot on the likes. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. It helps us a lot. It helps us a lot. Yeah, brother. I'm feeling like a pullback it's incoming. Like, oh my god. Big belly button? No, I'm not making money this session. Like I'm red, $400 right now. Like I took some longs here and didn't work out. Like people were way ahead of news. Like 40 minutes ahead of the news. Why don't I close the position and I go long? Man, that's a really good question. Because like I know that a pullback can happen, but I know that the probability is that it keeps going down. So I don't know if this account can handle the pullback that is going to happen. You know, not that I don't know that if it's the pullback it's coming, you know, but it makes sense for a pullback to come, you know. But I don't know if it's going to happen or not. But as the movement, it's heavy to the downside. My best bet right now is to keep the shorts, you know. Like I just took a really bad short on a bad position, you know. I'm hearing buyers. I'm hearing like the 5-minute. This is a bottom information for a pullback, man. This is the formation of the 5. Like if buyers appear here, like usually do on this type of candles, like he can push price to the 90 MA easily. I guess that at the 90 MA I won't be like stopped out, but I'll be very close to being stopped out on this account. You know? I guess I could have taken the 23 points that he gave me here. But this account, like in my mind, this account right here was already like long on Johnson, you know. Bro, Financial Juice is a very good Akash. Listen to me. Financial Juice is a very good news tool. It's a very good tick strike is awesome, but like Financial Juice is not that big for what you think for it to be doing that. Like Bloomberg is the real deal. The only problem is that Bloomberg, it's $30,000 a year, you know? If they are going to use something to push price anywhere, like a news outlet, they are going to use like Reuters. They are going to use the Bloomberg terminal, you know. Like Financial Juice. Don't get me wrong, Financial Juice is very good, but like it's a secondary option for traders that, like, for investors, traders that are not professionals, but has professional tools, you know. Bro, like if you're going to, like, if it's going to drop, just drop, man. Like, what you doing? Yeah, I don't like this attempt and insta buyback. Daniel, for you to get instant news, you have to pay for it. Financial Juice has the free version, but the instant news that comes like seconds after the things happened is, you have to pay for it. Like, nothing's free in this world, brother. Like, even the tick strike that you're hearing, it's lagged by 10 seconds or something. It's not instant. Yeah, Mango. Like, war developments, brother. War development. Ooh, a lot of buyers. A lot of buyers. Kleiner, like 4 to 7 days, man. 4 to 7 days. Like, after you get approved, like after it says approve on Apex, usually gets me like 1 business day. 1 business day to get the plain email. But it can take more. Depends where you live. I don't know. Brother, I gotta tell you, I'm going all or nothing right now.
Order submitted.
I don't want to see a big pullback. I just want to
Order
see like price rejecting.
Order submitted.
But, and if it goes, this account is already like very close to being like long on Johnson. So, no worries. Where's my sellers at? Where's my sellers at? Where's my sellers at? Smoke those buyers. Smoke those buyers. Smoke those buyers. Oh no. Smoke those buyers. Like, it's saying that it's approved on Apex website or no? What does it say there?
Order filled.
Yeah, I got a little bit of a scalp right here. Yeah, it looks bullish, or it looks like it's just it's going to trap all those buyers here. Oh yeah, so like it varies, but usually for me, after it says approved, 1 business day, like I receive an email from Plane saying that Apex paid me. And then from Plane to send me the money takes a little bit of time, like 1, 2, 3 days, depends. I don't want much. I just want a second leg of this drop here, bro. Like if it sweeps this low right here, it's already nice enough. Akash, Brazil. Drag silver on free fall. Okay. I didn't even see what's happening in other markets. Yeah, gold's falling. Gold's moving like NQ. You see, like 2-3 months ago, gold was moving like inversely with NQ, just like oil is doing. Use VWAP with 2 bands. Whenever it touches the line, you know already where it might go as a direction. So like, you're in position. I'll check that out. I probably already used VWAP bands in the past. Yeah, volume disappearing. A little bit of buyers at the end of the 15 minutes.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
The pullback on the 9 just happened. Let's see. I'm going to try to short again at the 9. Like I really do believe that it will try to break this low again. I really do believe.
Submitted. Order canceled.
But who knows? Tem café lá, se você quiser. Yeah, guys, this right now I'm trying to save this account. That's what's happening right here. I'm trading more aggressively. Like what I'm trying to do is to see if traders are going to attempt another push down, you know, maybe a double bottom before going up, or if this is a grind up, a pullback, and if it starts getting strength, then it's like I'm doomed, you know. That's it. I'm going to try to short again, take another scalp at the 90 EMA, see if there's a pullback there. Pat, I'm going to say bullish for a little longer. Yeah, maybe it goes all the way up to the 21 EMA, and if it goes there, then I'm long on Johnson on this account. I'm going to see if it like rejects the 9 EMA again. What I would like to see is that the next candle just breaks down, you know? I don't have much room on the drawdown of this account. Is trade of 8 not working? I don't know. I really don't know. Pat, the stop loss is the account going long Johnson right now. This account has a small drawdown. I won't even bother to put a stop loss. Jay, thank you bro for live streaming. I have 9 contracts on crude oil. Do you believe we should scalp or just hold long? On crude oil right now? Yeah, it kind of stopped going, you know? I don't know where your price is, like, but you should like deleverage at least. Don't do it like me. Chris, you cannot trade gold? Yeah, maybe Apex won't let you trade gold if you're trading on Apex. But if NASDAQ is working, that's good. One second. I'm back. Good morning, Trading Pennies. How you doing, my friend? Yeah. They had problems, like people like full porting silver and gold. Let's see if the NQ tries to go lower again. Buyers again. This is kind of a Hail Mary, guys. Hail Mary trade on this account. Five-minute candles, yeah. I'm not going to trail this trade on the 1 or 2 minutes. I'm going to only watch it at the 5, because if I watch at the 1 and the 2, I'll probably want to get out. I will like be wanting to get out of this trade. Funded. This is a funded right now. Like, yeah, I started the day in this funded, and the drawdown, like this was the I hit max loss limit on this funded yesterday, and the drawdown is a 50k. The drawdown was not that big anymore. So right now on this trade, I don't have much drawdown left. So this is a little bit of a Hail Mary trade. That's why I'm not even bothering putting a stop loss. Yeah, I can put a stop loss on the charts, like let's say, no, let's say stop loss here and here. But if price gets there, the account is long on Johnson, you know. Already. Oh, a lot of buyers. Like, I'm going to try to add on this fair value gap right here, and if it breaks this fair value gap, I'm probably done on this account. Chris, 100 bucks away from getting max payout on Apex. Beautiful, man. That's beautiful. Like, take it slow. Don't rush. You're going to get there. Oh, didn't feel the... Oh, this is not what I needed right now. Like, this would be like a 20 points ad on this trade. Oh my god. Hit the like button for a trader that is struggling. Hit the like button for a trader that is struggling, you know? I'm fighting for my life over here, boys. Good reaction. What does the 15-minute looks like? I don't even want to know, bro, but let's see. Oh my god. It looks like he wants to go all the way up to the 21 EMA, brother. That is that is what it looks like. This reaction right here, it's very interesting for me, but I don't know like if right now at this hour we have the power to push down again, you know? Some type of news has to come out, you know? That's the reality of it. I could just take this 180 bucks right here right now. Wish I could hit the like twice. Beautiful. Break even? No, like makes no sense for me to put it at break even right now. That's the problem. Oh, I just like let's enjoy this music right now. Just enjoy the music and the shorts will come. Like that's the reality. Like this ad here, like bro, it was a shame that they didn't was one like a tick away from filling. Like the way this 5-minute candle, it's probably closing. It's very good for me. Very, very promising. The only problem is that I don't know if there's going to have continuation. That's the only problem. There's still sellers. Let's see how this 5-minute goes.
Order filled.
I'm deleveraging at 2 micros here.
Order
Now I'm like,
canceled.
I have more of a free flow.
Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
You like my risk management? Yeah. If I did not try to buy this fair value gap right here, I would be green on the day. Very green on the day. Yeah, but I'm taking a lot of risk on this account right here. Like I'm taking a lot of risk. That's the reality. Like this 5-minute candle right now, it should continue down for me to be like happy, you know? Like, just enjoy the music and it's going down, bro. That's the reality. It's a shame that that 5 micro Z didn't hit, bro. Like, it would be a massive help for me. I would be agreeing on this trade already. I'm deleveraging one more, and this two I'm holding for the break of everything. Let's see. I hope this 5 minute like closes in my favor. Come, sellers, come. Guys, let's hit 100 likes, guys. You know what's the drill. Like, just like it's like you gotta, like, you get your mouse and you push it to the like button and you hit like. That's it. There's like, see, the price is already going down, boys. Like, it's already going down. You know what's up. Like, you know the drill. I know that you guys know. Like, let's hold hands right now. Let's hold hands. Like, let's hold hands, guys. It's going to stop all those buyers, bro. You know, FX Peter, hi man. You know that it's going to stop all those buyers. No? Holding your short to 150. I'm going to get out at 153, brother. You know? Like, it's an imminent trade. You just gotta believe it, you know? No? I'm chicken out, boys. I'm chicken out. I'm deleveraging one more. I'm deleveraging one more. I don't care. I'm deleveraging one more.
Order submitted.
Let's go for the break. Like right now, yeah, I don't want to see
Order submitted.
price going back to where I enter, brother. Like, I'm risking giving it back 90 bucks for the full thing. That's what I'm risking. Yeah, overall, I should just have waited for the 90 EMA pullback and I should have entered there and that's it. That's what I should have done. You know? That's what I should have done. Like, waited. I started shorting at 205. I did some scalps to get a better average. I end up, like, pushing my price up. But it was just a struggle, man. Like, I should have waited. Like, I always do that. Like, I always entered. Not always, but when I'm not trading well, webcam, stop it, I always do this. Like, I go for an early entry, bro. Like, that's the how I lost everything. Not lost everything, but how I lose accounts when I go for early entries. FOMO gets us all, yeah. Like, I try to preach that every day. Like, you never miss anything. You know, there's no missing. Like, if you don't take a trade, you're not missing anything. And I end up like shorting at the lowest point. Yeah, what was a shame is that I didn't get the 5 micro Z in the middle here. That's the shame. Like, it went 1 point. That would be an awesome ad. Let's go. Yeah, I'm afraid that of a pullback right here. I'm going to get it. Like, nice trade. I'm 100 bucks down. Bro, at some point I was 600 bucks down on this account. I'm only 100 bucks down now, so I'm happy. I'm happy. John Smith, yeah. What happens next? Brother, I'm telling you, and I'm gonna say it again, it's going to be late this year, August, September. Ooh, more short sellers. August, September and everything, and we still be talking about this war. This war won't have ended, bro. Brother, I'm going to get coffee, and we better be above 100 likes when I come back. Like, you guys know the drill. Ooh, nice exit by my part. Nice exit. I'm back. Was a nice exit by my part. Long small, nice. There's buyers. I'm hearing buyers. Aggressive buyers. Like, this is the way I'm trading today. Lehman Brothers Risk Management Department 2008. That's the way I'm trading today. Yeah, just swap the lows and it's going up. Leandro, good morning. I think you said good morning to me like I was not here. I just saw in the chat. Good morning, man. What website? A lot of websites, but the one we use mostly, like on the stream, it's called Financial Juice. It's a very good website. Like just like there's a link on the description. You can hit that, and it has the free version and has the paid version. The paid version is more instant news, you know, and has tick strike. Is the ticks that you're hearing in your ears right now, and. But the free version it's like if you cannot pay for it or don't want to pay for it, it's where we get our news. But like the news that comes on Financial Juice, like I was saying earlier to another dude, they are coming out in a lot of news sources. You know, probably Reuters are getting them instantly out. I think Reuters is connected to Bloomberg, so like. Sometimes they just copy one of the other. Pavan, long small. Beloved, going to cook breakfast. You all in New York Open. Oh, nice. See you in New York Open. Dan learns MES. Hi Leo, if you were going to recommend one funded account for a beginner, which one would it be? Brother, I gotta be honest. Right now, there's an account on my funded futures that you can get. Let me see which one it is. If you're a first-time user, where? Here. Yeah, it's $100. I don't know if you want to pay $100 for that. There's a pro account that's $114. It's a 15K account. It's the pro version, and you get like $2,000 max drawdown. There's no daily loss limit, and it's $114. Is that there's a link on the description you can click and you can make an account and look. Is the pro account 50K account is 50% off for new users. But I would recommend that if you're starting and if you never traded futures, I would recommend starting on Apex because it's the cheaper one. If you're just starting, you don't want to be spending a lot of money on evals. Like spend the least amount possible. And on Apex right now, if you use like Cold Pasha, you get a 50K end of day account that it's better. I would recommend you get an end of day account, not an intraday trading account. I think it's $30. A 50K account with end of day trading drawdown, it's $50 right now. Not $50, it's $30 on Apex, the eval. If you're just starting, I would get a 50K account, end of day with Apex. Then you can have access on it for like 30 days for you to test it, for you to understand how micros work, how much it moves. You trade NQ, you can trade oil, you can trade ES, YM, you can trade the Russell, and you can understand what moves. You can spend like 30 days trading, you know. For $30 you can have a 30 days of training, you know. There is a 25K account for $49 with my funded futures if you just want to try it out. 100%. There's a good option too. $49, you get a 25K account. Like if you're just starting out, I'm not thinking that you're going to pass the account right now. I just want for you to get the most amount of training time for the less amount of money. That's the thing. That's the thing, you know. I want you to get the most amount of training time for the least amount of money. Then I try to be. I'm not a good guy, but I try to be one every day. Can buy it now? What can buy it now? Like the NASDAQ or the account that I was recommending? Mark Langley got one with your code. Thank you, brother. That helps a lot. Like that supports the channel a lot. Yeah, if you use the code, like if you're going to buy an account on any prop firm, my recommendation is that you use some type of streamer code, someone that you like, because then you supporting them, because you're already going to spend that money, and if you don't use a code from anyone, that money is going solely to the prop firm. You're giving it all to them. And if you choose a streamer that you like, the streamer will get a little percentage of it, and that little percentage helps a lot. Like we spend money on the YouTube channel like every month. You have to pay for things, you have to pay for editors, you have to pay for reward yourself a little bit for the amount of time that you put in work into the channel, you know. Pasha has like rent to pay, things like bro, there's like 4 or 5 people working on the channel right now. We all look after each other, yeah. If you're not going to use Pasha's, use another streamer that you like, you know, because the money, if you don't use it, the money is going, all of the money is going to the prop firm, like, you know. Alex, you are ready for the 8 a.m. drop? Yeah, I'm waiting for Trump. I'm waiting for the truth, you know, for the truth social, the truth social bomb, you know. Brother, I was so happy. I just came out of my room. Like, there's a window right here, and I know that, like, there's sun, a little bit of sun, because it's when there's no sun, there's no light like this. And I came out and it has stopped raining. After that trade that we took, the rain stopped. So basically the trade that I took here was so good that the rain was like, bro, I can't do this to him anymore. I'm going to stop raining. Which vendor? I use Trade-O-Vate, man. You can test Rhythmic. There's, I think, Quantower is a good trading platform, but you have to get used to it. When you say vendor, I guess you're saying that don't use wealth charts. Like, wealth charts the worst. I don't like it at all. I use Trade-O-Vate because with Trade-O-Vate I can use NinjaTrader and I can use Trade-O-Vate. And you can connect your Trade-O-Vate to TradingView also if you want. With Rhythmic, I don't really know what you can do. I got one time I got an account and I use Quantower. Quantower is a good platform. It works very well, but it's very different from what I'm used to. And I didn't like that much, to be honest. Did not like that much, but I know that there's people that like it. So for each their own, you know. Intraday Trade-O-Vate, 25 bucks, 25k, 20 bucks. I'm getting it. Yeah. If you just want to test it out, see how prop firms work, like spend the least amount of money possible at the start, you know. And I'm not saying that Take Profit Trader is a good prop firm or My Funded Futures. They are, but they are a little bit more expensive. So you should trade them when you have at least an understanding of what's going on. And they are more expensive at the start, at the jump, because they have more friendly rules about payouts. Apex is a little bit less friendly about payouts, you know? But it's all like, if you trade good, it doesn't matter how the rules are. Atas platform with Rhythmic, but only because I pay for the platform. Okay, I never saw that. Big Belly. Trade of 8, yeah, Trade of 8 is easier to understand for beginners. It's very like straight to the point, you know? And don't forget to put the code, because if you don't put the code, you don't get the discount. And like there was people like, bro, I had to pay for the full amount, and I Take Profit Trader gave the guys money back, you know? Like he sent an email and like we said, man, send an email, explain to them that you forgot to put the code. But the guy paid the full price without like realizing. You have to put the code in, the promo code. And it's Pasha. It's on the screen. Right here. Other prop firms probably won't give your money back. Like he was lucky that Take Profit Trader gave his money back. Yeah, not much going on right now. I can't. I don't think I can short or go long. I cannot go long right here. Oil is going up like crazy right now. Oil is going up like crazy. Yeah, oil is going up like crazy. Yeah, then like Apex, it has on the rules that they, if you like they say like pay attention to the one you're buying, because they don't give it back. I don't know, like you have to, if you want the money back, you have to talk to your credit card company to like to undo the purchase. Apex won't give it, like won't change, because instantly when you pay, I bought a wealth charts. I bought a wealth charts, and I sent an email, and the guy explained to me that like instantly when you buy, Apex is all like automated. Like they have so many customers, it makes sense that it all is automated. And when you buy an account, instantly, like the money, it's already paid to the Trade of 8 or to wealth charts or to Rhythmic. So for them to give your money back, they will lose the money that they pay to Trade of 8, Rhythmic, you know. Like, but as I said, at least it's not that much money, like, you know. Yeah, Chris, yeah. Yeah, like if you do a refund on the credit card, probably Apex will ban you. Like that's the reality. Yeah, I had to trade a wealth charts account for like, and I passed the eval. I paid for the activation and I traded on it for like a month. But it was like a payment to trade on that. Buyers coming in. Yuri, bom dia, my friend. How you doing? You can trade your own money or live or trade prop firms to choices. Yeah, you can trade a cash account, your own money, and you can trade on prop firms. I think for people that are first starting understanding day trading, like prop firms are healthier because like you don't risk your own capital. Like with like as I said, like you can use like $30 to buy a 50K account on Apex, and you have 30 days of training for that $30. You know, imagine that if you're first learning, and if you're studying charts, and if you're studying how price action works, and how NASDAQ moves, and yes, and this and that, for $30 you get 30 days of training. And the prop firms has like if I fail 10 accounts in a row, and in one account I get a full payout, like I'm green, you know, on prop firms. Like on cash accounts, if you lose like 10 days in a row, or if you fail 10 cash accounts in a row, bro, you 10 cash accounts in the deep, you know? Masara got it with your code. Thank you, brother. Thank you for the support. Always appreciated. Nice. I hope you have like success with it. Are you on the Discord? Join the Discord, man. Like for anyone that wants to join the Discord, the link's on the description. It's a free Discord. Like I'm always Masara, you just got the account. You got it with Tradeovate on Apex. What did you do? Nice biblical. Okay, Masara, now you have to look on the dashboard on Apex is if it says that you have a eval account ready. On the dashboard, we also have the login for Tradeovate. You have to download, like I would recommend you to go to Tradeovate website and download the app and install it in your computer and use the installed version. One active eval, yeah. So on the dashboard, there's probably the login and the password. You have to use that to log in on Tradeovate. You can use the web version of Tradeovate, but I suggest you use the app. Install the app in your PC and use that. And sometimes it takes like 10 to 15 minutes, brother, for you to get the live feed, you know. Maybe you're going to log in and it's going to be like delayed on the candles, you know. Trump, what you doing, Trump? Jefferson, maybe. Maybe. Like he just stopped out a lot of guys here, a lot of people here. Looks like he wants to go down even more. Should dump, yeah. I don't know what type of news just came out. Trump on Iran. Ooh, wait. Let's see. Trump on Iran. A whole civilization will die tonight. Never to be brought back again. I don't want that to happen, but it probably will. Truth Social. Yeah. Trump just came out with the banger on Truth Social. Maybe something revolutionary, wonderful can happen. Who knows? Yeah, he's threatening Iran with the deadline. I think on Apex dashboard there's the login, man. You have to look that. The username and the password. I'll be right back, 1 second, guys. Sorry guys, I'm back. I had to run all the way down to the I don't know how to say in English, to the hall, to the building, like to the entrance of the building. Daniel, how you doing, my friend? I'm doing good. Zar, you like the it overreacts and then retraces, yeah? Mango, why you don't have here healthcare? The Four Horsemen? Yeah, brother, it's looking not looking good. Daniel, market has changed since January last year. Yeah, a lot. Oil's like rejecting a lot. Oh my god. Okay. Daniel made some bad decisions early in the day, but it's recovering. Nice, man. Dubmatic, good morning, my friend. How you doing? New York Open is going to be a wild pour over trader. Yeah, I do believe that too. Do I believe on the shorts on this 21 EMA? That's the question. Ooh, a lot of buyers. Yeah, guys, I don't know like what to do right now. The 21 EMA would be a nice place to be short, you know, take a short there and just see what happens. But like right now on the candles, we can see that it's pushing up. It's pushing up a lot. So maybe it breaks up, you know. Gotta be a little bit careful right now. Like on the 1 minute looks like a double bottom. But no, like this is news market, so who knows what's happening for real. I'll try a short here.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
I'll try to add here, and like if it really goes, I stop out.
Order submitted.
Let's see if there's a pullback to be made. At some point, some type of good news will come out and will push markets up, you know. That's the main problem. Let's just see if the 21 rejects.
Order filled.
I'm not feeling comfortable staying on this trade, man. Like let's be with 1 micro. If I'm not that comfortable, let's be with 1 micro only. Like that's the reality. I'm not going to add like this. I'm going to see what's going to happen. Let's see how this 1 minute candle closes. Let's see how it closes. I'm jumping off this trade.
Order filled.
How do you find Ninja, Lil? I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Like I've used Ninja Trader for like almost a year or even more back in the day, but then I started using Tradeovate, and now I'm back. Takes a while to get used to, like once you like do all the settings the way you like, then it's smooth sailing, you know. Charts incoming. Pat Williams is speaking. Yeah. Let's see what he says. Let's see what he says. That's interesting. Looks like a pull up. Head and shoulders if you're drawing. Yeah. Yeah, this is like to me now it's very hard to trade, you know. Personally, you have betted the upside royal nubness. Yeah, man, like Tom Black, good morning, coffee anyone? Yeah, I would accept some coffee, man. I would have accepted some coffee. Mine got cold, man. I forgot to drink. Akash got tilted and took foolish trades. Yeah, brother, sorry. Daniel, too many variables. Considering there are 23 minutes left until the magic time. Yeah, brother. Yeah, now I think the best bet is to wait for New York, you know? I think that's the best bet right now, guys. J-Rod, good morning, Leo. Jumped on earlier and you were getting coffee downstairs. Yeah. Yeah, I was getting coffee. Yeah. Like I woke up today and there was no like coffee, like the powder. I don't know how you guys call it, but like the grain, and was a sad moment, you know, when you realize you don't have coffee in your house. But I'm lucky to have a coffee grounds, yeah. I'm lucky that I have a little store inside my condo, so I went there to get. The labor market is not pushing inflation higher. Ooh, JR. Good morning, Leo. How was AM been? Man, I was minus 600 bucks at some point. I took some dumb trades, but then I got a nice short from, like I started shorting here and I was adding and taking out, but I end up having I took a short from this line to this line right here. Basically it's 50 points and I'm minus 100 bucks now. But the account that I'm trading right now is it's an account that is like she's fighting for her life, you know, like the drawdown is not that big and I'm like, yeah, plenty of time. Maybe New York session I recover everything. Tom Black, New York session up or down at the open? Curious? Yeah, I'm curious too to know where it's going. Leo, what is the doorbell ringing? Oh, brother, you guys don't see that. I was trading the index from Brazil, bro. Like this right here. I was taking trades on the index from Brazil, bro. You guys don't see that. I cannot show that. I cannot show that screen. Like, it for real. Like, I cannot show that screen. Because in Brazil, to trade the indexes live on YouTube without being like, you have to have some type of certification, you know? if you show your screen, you can get fined like 50,000 reals, you know, like $10,000 or something. Yeah, brother, I made like $100 on. I made like $100 in my Brazilian account. Yeah, I'm not like, you know, like you remind me of my boy Alex Pereira. You remind me of my boy Alex Pereira before he went to the bald head. One of my favorite UFC fighters. Yeah, bro, Shama. Alex Pereira. Poatan is like, he's the biggest UFC star right now. And wonder why? Hi, brother with nice voice. You're Brazilian, living there? Yeah, 100%. I live in Brazil. And I'm also Brazilian. Guys, let's push the stream. I need 15 volunteers to get, like, to be able to get their mouse and hit the like button for me to get to 150 likes, 150 likes on the stream. I did some massive scalping on my Apex funded accounts. I can see them challenging my payout if I get... Yeah, bro, like, you have to see if you got flagged, you know? Like, you go into your accounts and there's a place where it shows account history or something like that, and there's a place there where it shows if your account was flagged on that day or no. If it was flagged, you have to trade 5 more days, you know? You just have to trade. Yeah, let's squeeze the 150, boys. Let's squeeze the 150. I know you guys can do that before I end the stream. I should be ending the stream like in the next 3 minutes because Pasha's stream starts at 10 a.m. So, my webcam is irritating me. But okay, so I forgot what I was saying. Oh, okay, you did some massive scalping. So I have to see, it will be a red dot on that day. If there's a red dot, it means that you broke some type of rule. And you just have to trade, I guess, 5 more days for it to reset, you know? That dude's a serious badass. Yeah, 100% he is, man. He's going to fight on the heavyweights, and I think he's going to win against Zero Gun. Like, Zero Gun will fight him on a kickboxing style, and that's what Pereira wants. Is the perfect match for Pereira to go to the heavyweight. Blank slate, got it. Is it trading certification? Yeah, it's a analyst certification. You have to be a professional analyst to give calls, you know, or to show the trades that you're taking. A dream of you is to travel to Brazil. Yeah, bro, come one day. For tourists, it's a very nice country. Overall, it's a very nice country, you know, to be honest. Just have some bad places like every country in the world. How accurate that is, I have no trading violations. Yeah, Daniel, like, it's not that accurate, you know? Maybe if your account gets flagged once you request payout, they will manually check if you did some violations, but like, they are more preoccupied about people that trades like 20 accounts and they are breaking the rules, you know, because then they can get like massive payouts by breaking the rules. I want to be the 150, so I'll wait for my perfect entry. Got it. Beautiful, beautiful, Tom Black. Heavy hands, touch of death, 100%. And you know what's crazier, J-Rod? Is that everyone is afraid of his left hook, but he's right-handed. The most powerful shot is from his right hand. So what happens is that everybody it's defends their right hand, and like it ends up leaving space for the left hook. That's why almost all of his knockouts or knockdowns comes from left hooks, you know? Because if the right hand enters, bro, like it's I think there was the first fight of Poatan against Yuri Prohaska. The right-handed entered, and like you see that Prohaska like a switch went down on Prohaska. Like his body start on the slow motion cam. You saw that his body started shaking from the head and went down shaking because of the shot. Guess you're right. It was a short, yeah. I was trying to take shorts around here, but like right now I'm not risking more. Yeah. But Alex, the thing with Alex is that he has power, but his technique is unmatched. Like on kickbox, his kickboxing techniques, it's perfect, and his fight IQ, it's high level. The problem is that he doesn't speak English, but if you listen to him, stop webcam. Like if you listen to him explaining the fights in Portuguese, bro, you realize that he's a simple guy, but his fight IQ is from another planet. Like I wish he would speak English better, because it's hard to explain what you're thinking and singing in English. But for us that speak Portuguese, when he speaks about his fights, he's like a simple guy, but he knows that you know that like his fight IQ is from another level. He explaining things in Portuguese, bro, it's, and you can see like there's no way his technique is so unmatched. He has to be like he's intelligent. The London session was good, was nice. Like we took some bad trades, we took some good trades. Guys, I'm going to finish the stream. I'm gonna thank every one of you that came in. I'm gonna thank the 155 likes. Pasha is almost coming in. I think if you stay on this link, if you don't close this tab, you're going to get redirect to Pasha's stream. And I once again thank you all. Thank you for the likes. If you don't close the tab, it's going to redirect you to Pasha's stream, I think. And if it doesn't, just like enter on the channel and go to there. And drop your last likes. It's your chance now. Thank you, J-Rod. Thank you, Matt Reef. Thank you, Mark Lange. User, Daniel, Hugo, Dubematic, Trading Pennies that came in earlier. Beloved that came in earlier. Tom Black always here. Blank Slate, you're always here. And Wonder Why, welcome. David Phillips, everyone that came in, bro. I cannot remember everyone. Like Mango's here earlier. Was a fun stream. We caught some bad trades, but we caught some good trades. So overall, I think that's it. I will see you in New York session with Pasha. He's almost coming in. Just wait and we'll be back. Thank you guys again for an awesome London session. Bye bye. See you, be kind. See you in a few. Chris, thank you. Leandro, thank you. I'll see you guys in a bit. Take care.